Look at this beautiful BMW 230i, absolutely brand new, straight from the dealership. It's come here from the dealership directly to have paint protection film, which is the best case scenario when you're having PPF. I'm Abby, brand director of Approved Automotive. Let's go. Hi guys, my name's Abby and this 230i at Approved Detailing for full paint protection film. You can see the guys are just preparing to do the door, which we're going to show you how we do it in a minute. But to start with, you can see they've already got ahead of us and put one of the first panels on here, which is the front fender. You can see how precise and nice that's looking. Why? Because it's pre-cut. We're not removing any badges and panels as a general rule. Sometimes there are small reasons why we'd remove badges or panels. For example, if the car's going to satin or if the client is particularly pretentious about any seams. But in this case, no need to remove anything because the door handle is very flat anyway, so no need to even discuss it with the client. And the door is not affected by the wing mirror, so there wouldn't be any seams anyway. As you can see, the guys are just removing the PPF here. This is full XPEL Ultimate Plus, which is our gloss version of the PPF. And you guys might know or might have seen that it also comes in a satin version, which is an XPEL Stealth. You can actually see if you just peek round the corner behind this Cullinan here, there's a little sneaky RS6 there that was sold by the showroom. It's going from gloss to satin using XPEL Stealth. But back to the main thing of our video today, and you can see perfectly that the guys have put it on there. How satisfying is that? It fits absolutely perfect. No need for the guys to do any cutting on the car. I'm gonna put this in precisely, and guess what? Apart from the fact, guess what, it's noisy. Guess what, it's gonna look absolutely perfect. In the meantime, let us take you through to the design room, guys, so we can show you exactly how we're doing this, in case you're wondering. Wendell! There he is, as if by magic. Whilst he gets that done, just a quick check like we do in all of our videos. Guys, please, when you're checking for your PPF, if somebody says they're using a particular brand, make sure they actually are using that actual brand, i.e. not getting a box, filling it up with a different film and then telling you it's a certain brand, because people do that, let me tell you. And if you see any other brands here whilst we're looking and thinking, no, Approved, they're lying. No, we are not. This is coloured PPF. This is coloured PPF. This is coloured PPF. For the clear and the satin PPF, only using XPEL. Also for window tint, and also you see here, they have a new project which you guys may or may not have heard yet if you're familiar, windshield protection film. It's great, check it out. Back to our M2. This is Wendell, our designer. You guys have met our designer, Wendell. Say hello, Wendell. Do you recognise this? Because I do. This is the front bumper and the front grille area of the BMW just seen outside. And as you can see, it gets very intricate. So if you just zoom in there, Wendell, we're on layout mode, i.e. the way that the car is laid out literally. So you can see even there, see there's a hole for the upper emblem, the grille. You're going to see there, this is like all the lower parts of the bumper as well. Can you show something else, a different part of the car? This is the door that's just gone on, by the way. So as you can see, conveniently, it's exactly shaped as it was that you saw on the car. And then behind you, this is our plotter. So basically, Wendell puts it into our design software, which is XPEL, because we have the XPEL film, and we're completely certified for that. Then he goes above and beyond because he actually will modify the template where necessary. So for example, sometimes the templates are a little bit short for the doors, or we can wrap around an area that the PPF didn't originally. So we'll always extend where necessary. We're very lucky to have an in-house design team for that, because let me tell you, it's not always the case just because something's pre-cut or not. And then as you can see back to the car, it's perfect. So it's a little bit noisy out here, but Ramon is just coming to the end here, and it's actually perfect because he's just smoothing out this edge here. And you're gonna see, look how flawlessly that goes on. Seriously, absolutely beautiful. Guys, can you see this? What me and Koya Albin have here? This is the grille. So you're gonna see, we're not even gonna miss parts like this. When you are getting your quotations for PPF, you may be wondering why maybe we're a bit more money than other places. Well, these are just some of the small reasons. We're not missing parts. We're not just doing the body. Oh, sorry, we don't do that. It's full coverage when we mean it, okay? Let's put it on Alvin. Well guys, we're currently at the end of the journey almost with the BMW 230i because the guys are just finishing up and doing final checks. You can't see it, but this car is curing. It's still a little bit fresh, so we'll wait another day or two before releasing the car. But please do let us know what you're thinking of the car, and we're going to show you it very soon in the next couple of days when we see the finished outcome. This BMW 230i is brand new, and guess what? It will stay looking brand new with the XPEL Ultimate Plus protection it's just received. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and we're going to see you next time. Bye!